Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I hope everyone's having a good Sunday. Today I had an opportunity to meet up with a friend. I met up with Anna, Serenity Creations. Hey girl, thanks for meeting up with me. I had been wanting to give her birthday gift, which I had been working on like a while ago, and I never really got to give it to her because it wasn't ready the last time I got together with her. But anyway, I was also giving her some die cuts from Walmart. Um, it's a Halloween, those die cuts from Walmart that everyone's crazy about for past Halloween. So anyway, she was looking for them, and they didn't have it, I guess, at her Walmart, or they ran out. So long story short, we got together. So anyway, so of course we usually meet up at Frank Garcia's studio. Oh my gosh. So this is a haul video because I went to Frank Garcia's studio. I tried to be really good, you guys, so I only got like one little itty bitty collection. And yeah. Anyway, I told hubby, because hubby was like, I'm not supposed to be getting anything, but I told him, okay, I'll make a deal with you. I'm going to the expo next week, so whatever I get today, just minus it, subtract it from my expo budget. So he agreed. So anyway, so I got this for free. Frank gave me a little lollipop. Isn't this cute? I saw it there and I thought it was so cute, and he asked if I wanted one, so I did get one. Okay guys, so I didn't even know this collection existed until I walked in there. And anyway, yeah. So I got the new Crepe Paper Snowflake collection. Oh my goodness, so cute. It kind of reminds me of is it Merry Days from last year? Anyway, really cute. The colors are very different. Anyway, you have all these words here, some labels. There are snowflakes in gold, and then you have black and white words here and snowflakes. And then these little guys, really cute. And then the back of that, look at that. Isn't that adorable? Look at the deer and the snowman. Could not help myself. I had to grab a few items. I didn't get everything. Okay, so that is the stickers. And then these are more stickers. There's 74 here. So there you go. Look at the girl. She's so cute. And I just absolutely love that snowman. So it's not your traditional colors, but I love it. I got the thickers. I didn't pick up the black and white thickers that are, the alphabets. I only picked up these because I think I'm more likely to use these than the alphabet ones. I had to pick these up because look how adorable. These are paper clips, and they are that rubbery type. Snow day, love that. Bird and the tree. So I got that. I got the chipboard. And this is new, you guys. He said he just came in a few days ago. So the only thing I did not get, which I always get, look at that deer, you guys. A pink deer. How adorable. He didn't have the ephemera yet. So that's going to be coming in soon, probably this week, he thinks. So, and then there's supposed to be a layered tags as well. So, and then I think that's all I'm going to be getting from this collection. Okay, then we have the 6x8. And there I was telling my BFF Erica that I'm not allowed to shop anymore. Because we kind of have other expenses. My daughter's birthday's coming up. Our dryer broke, so my husband had to get a new dryer. Yeah. But anyway, this is part of my expo, what do you call it? Budget. So anyway, here we go. I'll try to go really quick. Winter Wonderland. And there's that. Look at the snowman. Some plaid. You got these stars that have the gold foiling. I love the gold in this. It's just that beautiful gold that is not too yellow. Look, I love that. Ooh, you get two? Huh. Well, that's unusual. Look at that. I wonder if that was a mistake. Look at the Christmas sweaters. I love it. Love, love, love. There's that one. Look, this is my favorite right here. The pink cars with the Christmas tree on top. Now, I did not pick up the 12x12. He does have that in his shop in the studio. That's pretty too. Did you guys see that? It's almost like rosy gold, but not quite. Love that one too. Yes, he has the 12x12 paper pad, but I opted for the double-sided papers. And we'll see. If I'm going to need more, then maybe I'll grab the paper pad. But this is all I got. And I only got one of each, you guys, because seriously, I have way too many papers already. And sometimes I don't even really use up all of them. So there's that. So we'll see. Look, I love the sweaters. And you can definitely cut those apart or fussy cut those, right? If you wanted. And look at this. I love the houses. You can totally fussy cut that too. Look at that one right there, a different shape house. Then you got that. Love this one again. I wish this one was foiled. I would have thought the 12x12 would have been foiled, but then there's that pattern again. This is kind of a very Maggie Holmes design. Nice. This one's pretty. Love the plaid. And I did not see any 6x6. And then here's your cut aparts. These could be tags. I think actually they are tags because they have the little hole. Well, you have to put the hole in it. This is the back. And then there's this one. This is called Marshmallow. And then you have this right here. The little ads and tickets and whatnot. And then here are the cut aparts. It's really cute. Again, just a very different color palette for Christmas. And that's it. That is the crepe paper Snowflake. All right, guys. So check out Frank Garcia's studio. He does have it, and he'll get the rest of it in probably sometime this week. So I don't know if he has it listed yet on his website, the online store, but definitely check it out, and don't forget to use your coupons. So thanks so much for watching. I did get 10% off coupon on this, so I didn't spend very much. So thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.